Hi, everybody. It's Joy from the Women's AI Visibility Institute. And this week, we're focusing on the business aspect of AI visibility. And today, we're going to talk about the aggregator substitution effect. What does that mean? That means you are not controlling the information that AI is searching for. So, I want to talk about what that means in business terms, and then we'll go back to the beginning. What does that mean in business terms if AI can't find the information about a specific attorney to answer the question it's being asked? From a business standpoint, your P&L doesn't show referrals you didn't get. But the whole point of AI visibility is to be citable, verifiable, recommendable, and referable. So if AI can't verify who you are, it's not going to recommend you. If it can't trust the website to verify that you're a licensed practicing attorney in this area, then it's not going to recommend you. So, being the attorney that's recommended by AI is so valuable because if you own that space, you're going to be recommended, and that's conversion and that's business. So, how do you become recommendable? Well, in our Texas study, we examined the citations. What does AI look at and what do they cite as sources? Well, in Texas, we found a website is a cited source. The weight is 55%. Compare that to Florida, 36%. What does that mean? That means your website became less valuable in Florida than it was in Texas. So let's say your prospect is looking for the best personal injury attorney in Fort Lauderdale. Well, the website's only 36% of the weighted source. What else are they using as a source? Well, Perplexity tells us directories, LinkedIn, the Florida Bar Association. It's looking at all of these sources to find a recommendation to the answer to that question. If you don't have a website that answers the question, it is going to go out to third party sources. The problem with that is you don't control that. You don't control LinkedIn, you don't control the algorithm, you control your profile, you control your post to a limited degree. You don't control law directories, Avio, Justia, super lawyers. Those you have no control over. Third party scraper sites, you have zero control over. You probably don't even know what they are. But that's AI. It's going out to look at your website. AI can't get the answer from the website. It's going to LinkedIn, it's going to legal directories, and then it's going to third party sites. You don't want that for your business because you want to be able to give AI information so it stops at your website and says, okay, this is a legal professional that was licensed in XYZ year, graduated from college in this year, practices this area of law, has written this article, does these videos, all the data points you want in your website. So AI doesn't have to go look somewhere else. That doesn't happen right now. That's what we research, that's what we do. You want to be the source for AI. You do not want to send AI out to other places. So, if you want more information about this and how we do it, we build entities. We offer services that build individual entities for lawyers. Why is that important? Because right now, AI may recommend a firm or it may recommend a person. But as AI gets smarter, it wants to recommend an individual attorney. So those attorneys that develop their own entity are more likely than not to be selected by AI. If you want to learn how we do that, please reach out. My name is Joy. My email is joy at wavinstitute.com. Tomorrow, we talk about another aspect of AI visibility from a business perspective. Thank you for your time.